Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Codeium for Haskell programming. Codeium's AI powered features can enhance your Haskell development with smart code suggestions and completions. So let's get started. First of all, make sure you have the Codeium extension installed and activated in your code editor. If you have not installed it yet, check out my previous tutorial on how to install Codeium. Now open your code editor and start a new Haskell project or open an existing one where you want to use Codeium. As you write Haskell code, you will notice that Codeium provides real-time suggestions. These suggestions appear in a drop-down menu next to your cursor. Now to accept a suggestion, simply select Tab or Enter button. Codeium will insert the suggested code snippet into your Haskell file, helping you code faster and more efficiently. Codeium can assist with various aspects of Haskell programming such as writing functions, type declarations, and modules. It offers intelligent suggestions based on Haskell best practices and common patterns. For example, if you start typing a function definition or a type declaration, Codeium will suggest completions for parameters, return types, and implementation details, making it easier to write well-structured Haskell code. Codeium also supports Haskell-specific features like monads, type classes, and pattern matches. It can provide relevant code completions and recommendations for handling these features effectively. To customize Codeium's behavior for Haskell, go to the extension settings and adjust preferences like the number of suggestions shown and language-specific settings. You can use Codeium's refactoring suggestions to improve your Haskell code quality. It can recommend optimizations and better coding practices to enhance the performance and readability of your code. Regularly test and review your Haskell code to ensure it functions as expected. Codeium suggestions can help you write better code, but always validate your code through testing. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to use Codeium for Haskell programming. This tool can boost your productivity and help you write clean and efficient Haskell code. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.